This spring, you don't need a green thumb to have the cutest garden-themed home decor. With the ChalkMade Carrot Patch Kit, you can have the sweetest little carrot patch fresh from the kit box without any of the dirt. This kit comes with all of the carefully curated, or should we say carrotfully curated, supplies necessary to make this project. The ChalkMade Carrots and Patch Box transfer, 5 cotton canvas triangles, a whitewashed box, a mini squeegee, 2 color trays, and paste singles in the colors orange peel and black velvet. Also included are all the accessories to make those adorable stuffed carrots. I've got my station set up, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is cut apart my transfer along the provided cut lines. Then I'll fuzz each transfer element to gentle the adhesive just a little bit. This will make it easy to peel them off when I'm finished chalking. Now let's center them on their coordinating surfaces and smooth them out so there are no wrinkles. Next, I'm prepping the paste singles. Starting with black velvet, I'll knead the packet to make sure it's well mixed. Then just snip the corner and squeeze some into the color tray. And then repeat with both orange peel packets. We're ready to go, so I'm taking my mini squeegee and loading it up with a little black velvet paste, which I'll apply to my carrot box and both mini circle tags. Just cover the design and remove any excess, then we'll be ready to peel. That looks good, so let's peel this transfer off. Look how perfect they turned out. Okay, now we need to chalk all 5 of the carrots. Starting with the floral pattern, just center up the transfer, get it smoothed out, and apply some orange peel paste. Once your triangle is covered, peel the transfer. Perfect! I'm going to use this transfer piece 3 times. Since I'm using the same color, I didn't wash it for the second carrot, but I do recommend washing your transfer between the second and third use so the application doesn't get patchy. These are darling. Let's finish up with the buffalo plaid pattern, and then we'll be ready to put them all together. Now that everything's chalked, let's assemble the carrots. The first thing I'm going to do is apply the adhesive strip along one of the straight edges of my triangle. Either edge will work. Once that's stuck down and the backer is removed, we are just going to flip it over and roll up the carrot, starting from the point of the triangle. Match up your edges and press down on the adhesive to create a cone. Now I'm just going to stuff my carrot. Take a little bit of batting and something skinny like a pencil or detail tool and stuff the batting down into the tip of the carrot. Keep batting in small amounts until you've filled the cone. Great! Take one of the elastics and wrap it around the top, closing off your carrot. Then just tuck in a bundle of raffia and fluff until it's exactly how you like it. The last thing we need to do is tie on one of the tags with our twine. Then just repeat those steps for all 5 carrots. These adorable stuffed carrots are farmhouse perfection and will bring all those spring vibes in true chalk style. So keep calm and carrot on. Happy chalking!